Ohio River. That means we're leaving Kentucky. Oh, cool bridge. That's a big river. Holy cow.
Yeah, it is.
This bridge means we're going to be in Illinois in just a minute. By the time we get to the other side. Wow, these bridges are so cool.
This is a huge river.
Dang, this is like Mississippi wide almost. Huh?
Yes.
It's big. Dang.
Holy cow.
Alright, that's pretty cool.
There's the river right there.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Alright, we made our way across southern Illinois and found concrete coal tipple. It's the last of two tipples in North America, the other one being up in Canada. It's just the top of a mine where they load the the rail cars for shipment of the product. Anyway, it's made out of concrete, where others are maybe made out of wood or some other product. Anyway, I don't know a lot about it, but I watched a video from Adventures R Us YouTube channel out of Canada, and they visited the one up in Canada, and they mentioned that there was one here in Illinois, so we thought, what the heck, it's on our route, we just as well stop and check it out. So there it is. We're in the town of Muddy, a concrete coal tipple. What do you think?
It's really cool.
It's kind of neat to see these historical things, huh? And there's a picture of it right there where you can see the
When it was in use, maybe?
when it was in use with the rail cars
Smokestacks.
going underneath the tipple there to get loaded up. So
That's cool.
super cool. So the underground mine is 1,000 acres mined. No work-related deaths. Mine was closed due to a flood of 1937. And that is the tipple that remains. There's no trespassing signs, but it says it's protected by surveillance, so we're not going to go over there and check it out any closer than this. Cool to see though, knowing that it's only one of two. That's awesome. Around here in this town of Muddy, got the smallest stop signs in the world. That thing's only like 16 inches. Pretty small. Check out the size of that post office. That thing is little. Alright, we drove down to southern Illinois. We had to go visit the home of Superman, Metropolis. It's pretty cool. There he is. Superman. Oh. Whoa, he's big. Well, that's pretty cool. So this concrete pathway is the big old S.
And it's his shield, like his chest shield.
Oh yeah.
But this is 50 years this year.
Oh, sweet. Alright, we found the Superman store. Superman Museum. Pretty cool. There's the phone booth. How cool is that? Huh.
Oh, that's fun.
Well, we can't forget about the planet and Lois Lane. There she is. Hi, Lois. We made it to the Fort Defiance State Park. Right here we have the Ohio River, and over here we got Christy And over here we got the Mississippi River. And this is the confluence of the two rivers. They join right here. And right out here, kind of by that fishing boat out there, is the southernmost tip of Illinois and the lowest elevation of land in Illinois. Did I get it right?
I think so.
Fact checker agrees. Woohoo! All right, here's another look. There's the Mississippi. This is where it joins the Ohio. And then there's this. Oh yeah, that water's cooking along pretty good, huh? And then it's got this observation deck you can go up on and take a look. Oh, these are steep stairs. Holy cow, these are like 10-inch rise, 10-inch treads. Go up a little bit further. Get a good vantage point up here.
Hopefully we'll be able to see something.
Oh, check it out, the flag. All right, here's a plaque. Talks about the meeting of the rivers. Right out there. Well, all right, first things first, we got to touch the southernmost tip, the lowest elevation in Illinois. We're going to go down here and touch the water with our toe. All right, here we go. Southernmost tip, lowest elevation. Woohoo! You want to do it? All right, Christy's turn.
Southernmost tip.
Put your toe in the water.
I did.
All right, so supposedly, got the cleaner water of the Ohio with the muddy water of the Mississippi. When they meet together, you should be able to see how they mix.
Hopefully.
So we'll send the drone up and see if we can see that from bird's eye view. That was pretty awesome. We got to see the muddy water mixing with the clean water with the drone footage from up above. We did a couple of quick shots that circled around us. It was really pretty.
So cool.
See the area around.
Headed to ourselves.
We even got the two guys fishing right there in where the two waters meet. Pretty cool.
Definitely worth a stop if you're here.
Definitely worth it. All right, out of the random stops, we saw this mansion row on the map in Cairo, Illinois. We're just driving up this road, a whole bunch of really ritzy looking mansions.
Oh wow, that's huge.
Like old style architecture. Christy's taking pictures as we go, but man, they look really cool. All right, this one here is called Magnolia Manor Mansion. And it's because
I got to be by magnolia
Christy's
tree.
happy. She found a magnolia tree.
It's so gorgeous.
Check out these flowers. Heck yeah. Oh wow, that smells really good. And just like everything else in this trip, it's been some kind of a celebration, 150th or 200th or 400th. This one, 150th, sesquicentennial of the Magnolia Manor. Oh sweet, here's another one, 1865. The river lower. How cool is that? Alright, so I was looking at this weird gate looking thing, and thought it was a guillotine road, but I realized it's actually a levee gate right there that they shut to keep the floodwaters out.
Oh.
I've never seen anything like it. Hate to have that thing come chomping down on you when you drive through. That'd be crazy. There's another view of it. Yeah, that's pretty cool looking. Huh. Never seen anything like it. All right, down here near Cairo, just a little north of there, we found this cool cemetery, and it is sweet. Mound City Cemetery. It's the Veterans Administration, 1930. Look at that. It's almost like Arlington. It's so cool. Check that out. That is awesome. Alright, we got the regulations for floral arrangements. Got the grave locator maps. No firearms. That's funny. This whole state doesn't allow firearms, at least legally. So cool. An address by President Lincoln. Oh, it's a Gettysburg Address. 7 years ago. How cool is that?
U.S. soldier, unknown U.S. soldier.
Yeah, so these are the unknown graves. Unknown soldiers. Wow, gives you the chills just thinking about it. This is so cool though. This is to have a memorial like this. This is just fantastic. The beautiful trees, beautiful headstones. You got a nice monument right there in the middle. Beautiful, beautiful cemetery. It's really big. But all throughout they have these plaques with quotes and sayings and stuff. Here's another one. Your own proud land's heroic souls must be your fitter grave. See claims for more from riches spoil the ashes of the brave. So this whole section here is all of the unknown soldiers. And then this over here looks like these are all named graves. Wow, this is fantastic seeing this. Yep. Look at that tree. That is massive. So this is Mound City, just north of Cairo in southern Illinois. I'm gonna go check out this monument here in the middle. Got the POWMIA flag flying just below the American flag. So here's that monument again. Bunch of names engraved in the stone there on all four faces. Guess you can drive down here and drive around it, but we decided to walk in. It's not that far. There are buried here 2,637 soldiers and sailors, names unknown, who lost their lives in defense of their country. Their services are here commemorated, although their names are lost from the roll of honor. Wow. 2,637 unknown soldiers in this cemetery. I'm glad we stopped here. That was one of the most beautiful cemeteries I've seen. Very beautiful memorial. Amazing. I think that's the muddy Mississippi right there. And here's the border for Missouri coming up right there. Bam!
State line.
Welcome to Missouri.